complete receptivity to the overself. Thus, ancient primitive people went out into the wilderness, and there they fasted and prayed, meditated and waited. And in this time of quiet, watchful waiting, they achieved a rapport with life that is almost entirely unknown to us. We watch for very little that is not within the gamut of our sensory perception. We wait for almost nothing. Our lives are dedicated to expediency, to immediate action, whether they are well considered or not. As a result of this haste, of this continual externalizing of our every resource, we do not have either the time nor the inclination to become especially subjective, or to search within ourselves for hidden and subtle forces that will not appear or manifest their own nature while man obscures them with the pressure of his physical interests